Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Running a service business is no joke. Between scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and staying on top of customers, it's a full-time job. That's where Jobber comes in. And today I will show you how to use it like a pro in just 8 minutes. So, first of all, we need to know what is Jobber. Jobber is an all-in-one business management tool built for field service pros like landscapers, cleaners, electricians, HVAC, and more. From the first customer request to the final invoice, Jobber helps you run your business smoothly on desktop and mobile. Now, open your browser and search for Jobber. Then click on it and log into your account. Or if you are new user, just click Start Free Trial. Enter your working email. Then add new password and check the box, then click Start Free Trial or start with Google. You can sign up with your Google account and Apple account. When you log into Jobber, here's what you see. Calendar to manage jobs, requests to capture leads, clients to manage contracts, quotes and invoices, tabs for paperwork, reports for insights. Let's walk through a typical job flow from booking to payment. Start by creating a new client, add their name, address, phone, and email. Jobber stores all of these in one place. Go to settings, then account and billing option. You can add your credit card, choose a Jobber plan like Grow, Connects, or Core. You can also add notes like get codes, pets, or post jobs. Now create a quote with a few clicks. Add your service, items, prices, taxes, and even photos. You can send it via email or text. Clients can approve it online, no printing needed. Once the quote is approved, convert it into a job. Use the calendar to schedule your team and set reminders. Jobber even lets you assign crews, optimize routes, and send automated reminders to clients. After the job is done, it's time to get paid. Create a branded invoice and send it instantly. With Jobber payments, your clients can pay online. You get paid faster and you can even set up automatic follow-ups for late payments. Jobber's mobile app is perfect for teams on the go, like view schedules, clock in, out, upload photos from the job site, send invoices on the spot. Your crew stays in sync and your customer stay informed. Explore features like automated follow ups, job costing, client history, reports on revenue, team hours, and more. These insights help you grow smarter, not harder. So choose a plan like grow, then follow the payment process. And now, if you see the message like that, click reset password, then enter your email address, then click reset my password and follow the process from Jobber. Go to settings. You can refer a friend with the link. You can change the theme mode like dark mode and light mode. And you can see the product updates tab. You can add context from here. You can edit client from the base. After purchasing a plan, you will see the dashboard look like that. Go to schedule, clients, requests, quotes, invoices or jobs tab and follow the process for your client or read the article from product updates. You can easily optimize the space, and that's it. That's how you run your service business with Jobber from quote to cash all in one place. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more smart business tutorials, and comment below if you want a deep dive into Jobber automations or mobile workflows. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.